Yes friends, first let us go and create what is that class me at within the C class files of Java. What is this? Protected, okay, protected, okay, protected, okay, protected modifier only we are discussing, okay. Protected string s is equals to am from me, okay. Now let it be the class access modifier as what? Public, okay. I want to put this one within the package. Let it be as what? com.it, okay. Let me save this one with name me.java within the C class files of Java. Yes, now I am going to save this one. Yes, we have saved this one, okay. Now here we are having me. Now let me go and compile and let me generate com.it package directory structure, okay. Observe here how to create that one. At compilation, put java c -d dot me dot java. Observe here, it will get create com.it dot me public class, and this one is what? Protected access modifier data member. Now go for other class. What is that subclass? It should be at different OS directory structure. What is that class name? Class U, which do extends what? Me, which is available within the package directory structure called com.it, and its name is what? Me, okay. Now let me take this class, and one more subclass is there for this one, YU, which do extends what? U, and one more class file, I mean child class is there. What is that? YYU, which do extends what? YU, okay. Observe this one carefully, friends, okay. Now let me take one of the public static void main method having string args as the parameter, okay. That is a where arg parameter, okay. Now this is what? A string, right? A string, okay. Now we have to access that one, right? Observe here. What is this? YU is equals to new Y, okay. Now system.out.println, okay. Println, what is that? Y dot s, okay. Y dot s. Let me save this one with name as what? U dot Java. At which OS directory structure? Within the OS directory structure called D, okay. Now let me save this one, okay. Of course, one second, within the U, okay, D. Let us go and check whether it has been created or not, okay. Now yes, it has been created. Now observe here. I want to compile and execute this one, and I want to see the output. Of course it is true, okay. Now observe this one, okay. How to compile that one? Java c -cp c class files of Java, and what is our source code name? U.Java. Observe here, it will get compiled successfully without any restrictions. What is this? Of course, I have put one extra character within the U.class file, this extra character, okay. Now yes, that was the extra character, right? Yes. Now let me save this one. Yes, I have saved. Let me go and compile this one once again. Yes, compiled successfully. Observe here. Now I am going to run this piece of code by setting the class path for both the .class files, okay. Now it will give the output successfully to us without any restrictions. Observe. Yes, I am from me. Getting? It is true. Getting? From outside the package, getting from outside the package only within the subclass. On that subclass reference variable type only we can do access, okay. Now just for a while, please observe. Now I am going to change this u to me. Observe here, me. Observe here, child object. Parent reference is possible or not in our Java? Yes, it is truly a valid declaration, but this access is invalid because of protected access modifier. It will give compile time error as what do you know? What do you know, friends? What do you know? What do you know? E, that is S has protected, S has protected access modifier in class me, access modifier in me, like that it will give the compile time error to us. Try to observe here, just a slight change. I am going to put that one as what? Me. Observe, just a minute, okay? Try to observe here, okay? Try to observe that one carefully, okay? Now what is that? Instead of this statement, what I am going to do? Me, y is equals to new u, okay? Now let me go and compile this source code. It will give compile time error to us. Observe carefully. Observe. S has protected access in com.I.me, giving fully qualified name, okay? Observe, very important, okay? I think you get this logical tricky analyzed thing. What is that? From outside the package, only within the subclass, and that too on that subclass reference variable only we can do access. I hope you get the meaning for this oral statement, okay? I hope. Now observe here, the same thing, the second logic also, simple thing, nothing great in that one to worry, okay? Simple thing. I hope you will get that one. Observe here, on any subclass reference variable of that subclass, this subclass is what means? Observe what is this subclass means? The first subclass from outside package, what is the first subclass of me from outside the package? First subclass, friends, u, okay? U is the first subclass from outside the package, and from outside the package, what is the second subclass? This one. And what is the third one? U. Second means what? U. Now observe here, on any subclass reference variables of that subclass, now observe here, instead of I'm going to write here one statement as what? Observe carefully, okay? Tricky thing, okay? Observe, public static void main, okay? And now y equals to u, okay? Observe, SOP of y dot es. Observe here, on any subclass reference variables of that subclass, okay? Observe here. Now on any subclass reference of that subclass, observe here, from outside the package within the subclass, observe here, this yu is also one of the subclass, okay? Okay? On any subclass reference variables of that subclass, observe here, this is strictly invalid. Why? Because observe here, this is what? One of the subclass for this me, getting? One of the subclass for this me. So from outside the package, only within the subclass, on that subclass reference of that subclass. Of course, if you are getting confusion, means you can even take this one, okay? On that subclass reference you can take, okay? You can take out this one, okay? Observe here, okay? On any subclass reference variables, okay? Okay? Observe here, on any subclass reference variables in this subclass, or else I can put this one as what, in this subclass. Okay, in this subclass means this subclass and this subclass must and should be same. Okay, what is that? Observe here. Okay, forget about all of these things. Okay, where you are accessing. Okay, what is this? This instruction tells about accessing. We are printing. In which class this code is written? Observe my terminology. In which class this code is written? Within the YU class. Okay, so you can do access that one within the subclass of me, no issues. But what is the issue to us? From outside the package, only within the subclass, on that subclass reference. Okay, on that subclass reference variable type. Or other one is what? On any subclass reference variables within this subclass. Okay, this one is what? Within this subclass. Okay, now within this subclass, now this is the subclass and this is also the subclass for me. You are accessing this one within the YU, so this type must be YU only, but not U. If you do access in this fashion or in this pattern, it will give compile time error to you. Please observe this one carefully. Okay, it will give now compile time error if it is like this. Observe, this is the trick, guys. Okay, and this is the trick. If you do put this code, of course, child object parent reference strictly valid thing. You are accessing that one within the class YU, so YU reference must be there, or else YU subclass reference must be there to access that particular protected data member. Now here you are going to get compile time error. That is the meaning of this one. On any subclass reference variables within this subclass. Okay, within this subclass. Okay, on that subclass reference, within this subclass reference. And here you are having one more thing. I will tell even that one also. If you do compile this piece of code, it will give compile time error to you. Observe here. Now I will put this piece of code here. Observe carefully. Observe here. Okay. Now observe carefully. Okay. Now observe this one carefully. Okay. Now let us go and put this main method within YU. Let me take out these two statements. Okay. Now what is that? UY is equals to new YU. Now it is what, friends? Invalid. What is the subclass here? YU. So within this class, if you are accessing the protected data member, means that reference type must and should be this class type only. What is the reference type here? It is U. It should not be as what U. It should be YU. So now once again it will give compile time error to us at line number 12. Observe here. This is the line number 12. Observe. Now I am going to compile this particular piece of code. Observe here. At line number 12 you are going to get compile time error. Observe carefully. Okay. At line number 12. Okay. Observe. Still it has what? Compile time error. Observe here. This statement tells you the same meaning here. What is that? On any subclass reference variables within this subclass, means that is the meaning. Please observe. Okay. Now how to avoid that particular compile time error here? You have to make this reference as what? Reference as what? YU. Getting YU. Now it will get compiled successfully and it will give the output to us as what? I am from me, without any restriction. Observe. Now we are going to see this compilation and execution. Observe carefully, friends. Okay, observe carefully. Okay, where is the source code? Here it is. Okay, now let me change this one from U to YU. Y is equals to new YU. And where we are? We are at second child of what? Me. Getting? Now it will get compiled successfully. Okay, observe here. Okay, let us go and compile. Okay, now I am compiling the code, no compile time error. Observe here. Now I am going to run this one. It will give the output. What is this? No such method. Of course, 1 second. Yes. See here, I have put the class name is what? U, but where the main method is available currently at YU. So I have to put what? YU. Then only it will give output to us. Observe. I am from me. Getting? I am from me. Okay.